Hello Year 2, Mr. Mellon back again to do some handwriting with you today. So today we're going to look at our I's and T's. So let's start with our I's. So the I's are a bit like our regular letters. They go up to the blue line then back down. But then we pop a dot on top just above the blue line, like that. Oop, there we go. So up, down and on top we'll just pop a little dot. If you can, try and keep those eyes nice and straight. And the dot just goes on top. Looking good. So take that time. Okay, let's have a go at joining them up in pairs now. So let's write two Y's joined up. So I'm going to keep my pen on the page, and then once my pen's off, I'll just pop the dots on top. So write the I's first, and once we're finished, just pop the dots on top. It's a bit like making a cake. The I is the cake, and the dot is the sprinkle. So you make the cake first, and you put the sprinkles on top afterwards. There we go. Try and keep them in between those blue lines. Right, okay, let's have a go at some T's. So like the I's, we're going to start and bring it up to the blue line, but this time we're going to go up through the blue line and then back down. Not all the way to the red line, we're just going just a little bit up above the blue line and then bringing it back down. Whoops. Oh, how did that happen? Oh no! Let me try that again. Let me get rid of that rectangle. There we go. Right, let me try that again. So we're going to go up just above the blue line, then back down. And I'm going to put across my T like that. So not all the way to the red line, just a little bit above the blue line. Trying to keep those T's nice and straight as well. It's looking good. So in a moment we're going to go on to the next line, so we're going to have a go at joining those T's together. So just like the I, we don't put our crosses on until we've let our pen leave the paper. So let's try that now. So I'm going to do two T's. Then I'm going to put my crosses in, just like that. There we go. Try and keep my T's roughly the same height if I can as well. They're looking good. And my crosses in for the T's. There we go. One more set. Excellent. Right, let's have a go at writing some words now. Let's start off with the word high. Oh no, let's start with the word it, actually. Let's go with a 2-letter word, it. So the I and the T, and then we pop the dot and cross on at the end. There we go, looking good. So the I is just touching the blue line, and the T just goes slightly above the blue line, and we put the dot and cross on afterwards. There we go. It's looking good. Excellent, okay. Can we do another word now? I think we should have a go at some 3-letter words now. I've done a 2-letter word, let's try a 3-letter word. Let's have a go at the word... No, let's do another 2-letter word actually. Let's go for the word to. I went to school. T-O. So bringing that T just above the blue line, and the O stays within the blue line. So you can probably see that the T is just slightly taller than the O. There we go. We'll do one more word after this. Okay, what should we do next? Let's have a go at the word in. Let's practice that I. In. So again, the I and the N are roughly the same height, but the dot just goes on top of the I. Okay, so once you've finished this, you can have a go at writing your I's and T's again if you need a bit more practice, or you can copy out some of the words again, or maybe you can think of your own words with I's and T's that you can practice. And then what we'll do tomorrow, we'll go over this again, but we'll go on to some longer words like 3-letter and 4-letter words. Well done today, Year 2. I bet your handwriting is going to look fantastic. I'm really impressed with how well you've been joining it all up. Very, very impressed. So I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye for now.